Again, welcome back to my YouTube channel BBC World News. This time we talk about Mozambique and Zambia, a new project at Chapo and the Haklima meeting Nabia. The President of the Republic, Daniel Chapo, and his Zambian counterpart, Hakainde, and the Hikalma intend to enhance bilateral relations in areas such as the agriculture, mining, share of water resources and power supply, as well as infrastructure projects. The desire was expressed this morning in the city of the Windhoek, Namibia, with the two met of the occasion of the inauguration of the President of Namibia, Netambo Nandi, and the Ndaviate, according to the two head of state relations between the two countries, which date back to the period of the armed struggle for independence, should be strengthened. Chapo expressed his desire to see the greater and the cooperation in the area of infrastructure, trade, and the mining and logistics, and the through Mozambican port. In turn, Hikalma congratulated General Chapo on his election and the stability in the province of Cabo Delgado. In the post-election period, the Zambian president expressed his desire to see relations strengthened in the supply for electricity and the agriculture and mining, an area which Zambia has long experienced that it can share. He said meeting will continue behind closed door. The President of the Republic, Daniel Chapo, and the Zambian counterpart, Hakainde, intend to enhance bilateral relationship and relations in areas such as the agriculture, mining, sharing of water, resources, and power supply, as well as infrastructure projects. Chapo expressed his desire to see greater cooperation in the area of infrastructure, trade, mining, and logistics, and through Mozambican port. The desire was expressed this morning in the city of the Windhoek and the Namibia, where the two met on the occasion of the inauguration of the President Namibia, the Tambo Nandi, and in turn the Haklima congratulated Daniel Chapo on his election and the stability in the province of Cabo Delgado. In the post-election period, the Zambian president expressed his desire to see relations strengthened in the supply of electricity and in agriculture and mining, an area in which Zambia had long experience that it can share, and he said meeting will continue behind closed door. I hope you enjoy this video. Like and subscribe my channel. Next time, goodbye.